Track changes feature. When multiple people are reviewing your document, then you need to identify the changes made by them, comment on them, accept them, or reject them. To do so, LibreOffice Writer provides us with inbuilt Track Changes feature. This feature highlights the changes made, thus making it easy for your review. To enable Track Changes feature, select the Edit, Track Changes, Record option. We can access the Track Changes toolbar by clicking on the View, Toolbars, Track Changes option. The Track Changes toolbar contains the following options. Show Track Changes. It is a toggle button that displays the changes made by all the reviewers or users. Even when it is off, the changes are still recorded but not displayed. Record Track Changes. It is a toggle button that starts the recording of changes made on the given document. Once the recording starts, the deleted characters will be shown in a strike-through manner and the added ones will be shown with a different color. Previous track change or next track change. These help to navigate through the changes made in the document. Accept track change or reject track change. These buttons accepts or rejects the selected change under tracking and makes them permanent for the document. Accept all tracked changes or reject all tracked changes. These buttons accepts or rejects all the changes under tracking and makes them permanent for the document. Accept or reject track change and select the next one. These button accepts or rejects the selected change and take the selection to the next one. Manage track changes. This button manages, accepts or rejects the recorded changes of the document under tracking. Insert comment. This button enters a comment for the recorded change in the document. Insert track change comment. It lets you view the changes, comment on it, approve or reject changes, etc. Protect track changes. This button protects the document from accidental or unintentional or impermissible deactivation of record change feature by any user, unless the author does it by entering the password. Compare non-track changed document. This compares the current document with the selected document, and the selected document shows the deletions in the current document, which you can keep in the current one if you wish. Merge track changed document. This button imports changes made to copies of the same document into the original document. Any changes that are made to the footnotes, headers, frames, and fields are ignored in the final document, and identical changes are automatically merged. All these options help managing track changes of LibreOffice Writer. Prepare a document for review. The track changes feature is essential when sharing a document with one or more users for review or editing. Before sharing the document, ensure that this feature is activated to record all modifications. This allows the original author to review, accept, or reject the changes made during the review process. Follow the given steps to prepare a document for review. Step 1. Create the document to begin with. Step 2. Select the Edit, Track Changes, Protect option in the submenu. Step 3. The Enter Password dialog box will appear. Enter the password and confirm password in the respective text boxes. Step 4. Click on the OK button. This action locks your document, and any author will not be allowed to stop tracking of changes without knowledge of password. Alternatively, the document can be protected using Protect Changes button from Track Changes toolbar. Record changes. Following are different ways to start recording changes in the document. Select the Edit, Track Changes, Record option, or click on the Record Track Changes button on the Track Changes toolbar, or use the shortcut key Ctrl+Shift+C to start recording the changes. After this, any change in the document can be viewed using Show Track Changes. The deleted content will show as strike-through text, and the new added text will be in a different color. When you bring the mouse pointer over the change, the author, the time, and date of the change shows up. Accepting and rejecting changes. The changes made by all the contributors are reviewed and finalized. The author has the liberty to accept or reject any changes using all the options or buttons present on Track Changes toolbar. Author reviews the changes, previous or next track change. He can accept or reject changes one by one, accept or reject track change, or accept or reject the changes in one go. Accept or reject all tracked changes. Follow the given steps to accept or reject changes. Step 1. Right-click on the change. Step 2. Select the Accept or Reject Change option from the context menu. The author has one more way of handling the changes given, using Manage Track Changes button in the Track Changes toolbar. The options in the Manage Changes dialog box manages the changes in one place effectively. Adding comments. Adding a comment means to write a note in the page margin for reviewer or author. It is important to add comments to understand the changes proposed by the contributor of the document, or to put any suggestion into the document. Follow the given steps to add a comment. Step 1. Bring the cursor to the location where you want to enter the comment, or select the text on which you want to put the comment. Step 2. Click on the Insert menu. Step 3. Select the comment option, or click on the Insert Comment button on the Track Changes toolbar, or right-click on the place where you want to add the comment and select the Insert Comment option from the context menu, or press Ctrl+Alt+C key. A yellow color box appears near the right page margin. Step 4. Write the required comment as needed in the box. Deleting comments. When comments are required to be deleted, they can be deleted by following the given steps. Step 1. Click on the drop-down arrow button on the right bottom corner of the comment. A drop-down list will appear. It contains options like Resolve, Delete Comment, Delete All Comments, etc. Step 2. Select the desired option. Or Step 1. Right-click on the comment. A context menu will open. Step 2. Select the desired option to take the suitable action. Comparing documents. Comparing documents in LibreOffice Writer is a useful feature that allows you to see the differences between two versions, original and edited, of a document. This can be particularly helpful in a collaborative environments where multiple versions of a document might exist. Follow the given steps to compare documents. Step 1. Start LibreOffice Writer and open the document, edited, that you want to compare with another version, original. Step 2. Click on the Edit menu from the menu bar. Step 3. Select the Track Changes option. A submenu appears. Step 4. Select the Compare Document option. Step 5. A Compare to Original Document dialog box will appear. Navigate to the location where the original file is saved, to which you want to compare the file. Step 6. Select the second document. Step 7. Click on the Open Document. LibreOffice Writer will automatically compare the two documents and highlight the differences and will show it in Manage Changes dialog box, where you may accept or reject the desired changes.